What's going on, everyone? I got the Kobold 2.0 by Sebastian Irawan. I'm going to do a quick disassembly and reassembly on this piece because I want to see what's inside of this thing. What's making it so smooth? Centered. Lockups really good. Exactly where we need it. And man, it's not a small piece. It's full size. Blade's like 3.66. Overall, 8.2 inches or so. .12 inches on the blade stock. Yeah, let's take it apart. Oh yeah, I swapped out this clip. I love this Kizer Kobold clip. It's perfect. Melts in the hand. Goes in the pocket well. Looks nice. Great tension. Yeah, let's check it out. Come on. I love the Micarta on this piece. Such a nice texture. A lot of companies, their Micarta is really smooth. This one at least feels like a fabric, while not being smooth, while retaining the texture. Especially this like burlap Micarta. This milling, I can tell, is just gonna patina very well. I mean, just a couple days of use already, it looks really nice. And the gills, I guess I'll call them gills. They remind me of the, what's it called? Where's that piece at? Paragon. Had it out somewhere. Oh well. There we go, like these gills. Yeah. Love this Micarta. Nice texture. It's velvety. It's not fluffy like velvet, but it has a nice grip and texture. Warm and light. I think it's pretty strong too. Yeah, I like it. Put that back real quick. Alright, let's check this knife out. Oh, look at that. Cool. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, there's no grease at all. Just the way I like it. Nice and clean. This maker's mark. It's cool, it's a little knife. Yeah. Kobold 2. 154 cm. These Micarta backspacers are really nice. Yeah, look at that patina. Well, there's not much to do here. It's already cleaned. And you know what? Maybe that's why it runs so smooth. There's no gunk. There's no sludge to slow it down. I mean, that's what I've been preaching. Oh, there's a little backspacer pin right here. Or a lanyard pin. Let me put that back. Yeah, what a simple knife. Love it. Really smooth. Yeah, highly recommend it if you guys are on the fence. Just because the smoothness of the knife, it's a nice little satisfying experience. The knife itself is pretty solid. The design is kind of way different than what we're used to. And maybe that's what's appealing about it also. Yeah, this thing's butter. Solid. Oh, dog's going at it out there. What? Yeah, this piece is really good. Wish I had a little jimping, but paired with this stock, with the TI clip, it's great. There it goes. I haven't experienced the Kobold 1 yet, but I don't know if I really need to. I really like this guy. Let's see if I got it. Oh, there we go. I like it. I forgot to mention what the original clip looks like. Let's put it on real quick so you guys see the difference. So there's that clip. Beautiful. And the contouredness of this clip really just melts right into the palm. That's what I really praise about this clip, and why I use it as often as I can. I put on Devo pieces, Vosti pieces, Quivist variant took it. Wasn't perfect, but it fit. So I try to use this clip as often as I can. Alright, there's the original clip. It works well. I just kind of feel it. It's just not, I guess, it doesn't meld into the palm and into the piece like this one does. But it does. It's not a nuisance at all. It's just there. But I think it all depends on the person's hand too. Yeah, I feel it, but it's not a hot spot. It's just there. But with this clip, it disappears. It feels completely natural, like it belongs. Yeah, as you guys can tell, I really like this clip, and it looks good. It works well. They have 3 colors: blue and black, and then this plain titanium. Looks great. Yeah. Much different. Alright, have a good one, guys.